we interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties. Stand by, please. Data coming in. Severe thunderstorm warnings are in effect for the entire Dallas-Fort Worth area. Storms are moving to the east and to the northeast at between 50 and 70 miles per hour. 70-mile-per-hour winds have been reported with some of these storms as they continue to track to the east. New severe thunderstorm warning now for Denton and Collin counties until 9:45. Also, to the south of Interstate 20, new severe thunderstorm warnings are being issued for Somervell County, Johnson County, Bosque County, Hill County, and Ellis County until 10:15. Severe thunderstorms are located along a line extending from near Godley in Joshua County to 7 miles southwest of Cleburne State Park to near Meridian State Park, moving east at 55 miles per hour. These storms may produce 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, possibly 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and penny-sized hail. Once again, severe thunderstorm warnings issued for Somervell County, Johnson County, Central Bosque County, Hill, and Ellis counties until 10:15. Storms may contain 60 to 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Okay, back here on WBAP. Beg your pardon, sometimes I forget that I'm doing the EAS warning or I'm live on BAP. But